What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best men's running shoes under $100. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Nike Flex Experience 9. The best men's running shoes under $100 are the Nike Flex Experience 9s. They are super narrow, which is ideal for people with smaller feet. If you have larger feet, I recommend ordering a few sizes bigger to get the best fit. Because of the narrower fit, you're more likely to experience a snug fit, making them super comfortable. The sole is rather narrow, which is better for shorter distance runs. As you begin racking up the miles, your feet and legs may become tired. With that being said, the lightweight design helps counteract some fatigue you may experience. It also helps prevent muscle strain and some injuries. In fact, it's not uncommon for these shoes to help people continue running with back and heel pain. Although, I wouldn't recommend it. In addition, I wouldn't recommend running in the rain with these shoes. While the mesh upper provides excellent breathability, it's not going to protect your feet from harsh weather. Number 4. Brooks Men's Rebel 4. The Brooks Rebel 4s feel more lightweight compared to the previous model, Brooks Rebel 3. They have an 8mm drop, which is best for forefoot and midfoot strikers. A lower drop has also been shown to help with knee pain. Another popular compliment is how durable and long-lasting they are. You can expect to run at least 100 miles without any signs of wear and tear, making them super reliable. Not only do these shoes perform well, but they also look great. With that being said, there are different colors to choose from, such as gray, black, red, green, and many more. They even offer a Christmas-themed design if you're in the festive spirit. In terms of downsides, I found the laces are made from cheap material. If you have your heart set on buying these shoes, I would purchase additional laces. What's more, they don't provide as much cushioning as the Ghost lineup. Number 3. Nike Men's Free RN Flyknit. The Nike RN Flyknit running shoes are super lightweight, making them great for long-distance runs. Not only that, but they are made from flexible material, providing a snug and comfortable fit. In fact, I consider these shoes the most comfortable in this article. The mesh-like material also makes them great for people who live in hot climates. They let your feet breathe, which helps prevent athlete's foot and other types of infections. You'll also be surprised to hear Nike doesn't make these shoes anymore, so they're a lot harder to come by. With that being said, it may be a good idea to purchase a few pairs while they're still available. In terms of downsides, I wouldn't recommend using them on surfaces with small stones. The tread has small grooves that collect stones while running. Due to the weird shape, they can sometimes get stuck. Number 2. Saucony Men's Ride 13. If you want a pair of running shoes that provide just the right amount of firmness, coupled with a slight cushioning, the Saucony Ride 13s are perfect for you. Some previous Saucony running shoes are a little too soft for my liking, however, these ones are perfect. If you supinate while running, you'll be glad to hear these shoes provide a substantial amount of arch support, making your runs easier and preventing common issues like ball of foot and ankle pain. While they're not as lightweight as the Nike RN Flyknit running shoes, they only weigh 1.65 pounds, which is great. Another thing people love about these shoes is there isn't a break-in period. Most people can put them on and hit the trails without suffering from blisters and discomfort. When it comes to downsides, I found they don't have a wide toe box. This can be an issue for some people with wider feet. Also, I'd like to see some additional color options available in future models. Number 1. Asics Men's Gel Contend Shoes. The ASICS Men's Gel Content 5 running shoe is similar to the Nike Flex Experience 9s, as they are better suited for people with narrow feet or that prefer a tighter fit. With that being said, they do provide sufficient cushioning, helping prevent your body from injuries and unnecessary stress. After extensive research, I also found the top of the shoe is a little too high at the back. In turn, this causes people to experience blisters on the back of their heels, even after the break-in period. You can combat this by wearing high socks, however, it's a major downside in my eyes. On a positive note, they also offer a substantial amount of firmness, helping to push off from the ground when running for long periods of time. In turn, this is going to prevent your feet from feeling tired. If you need to remove the insole from these shoes, you need to be aware that the current ones are glued in. That means you'll need to rip them out using some force, causing a small amount of damage. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.